Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Nurul Azrin binti Ahmad Zahari. The topic that I have chosen for this individual assignment is volunteerism, specifically volunteerism practice and morale among university students. The issue here, I observe in university surrounding, youngsters are lacking in volunteerism morale. When we talk about volunteerism, sadly, most of them only think about volunteerism is like we going to a very rural area, helping giving out supplies to the disability person at the area. So it's not, because volunteerism can be anywhere or everywhere, because volunteerism is defined as practices providing time and skills for benefit of others rather than for financial benefit. So like they will use the youngsters, they will use their youth energy, their skills, their ability to helping other people. They will be the first one to reach out hand in helping the elders or the other disability person. So my suggestion to implement volunteerism morale in university student is to conduct a one-day program outside campus. We will focus on the very needy place such as old folks home or the special care center for physically disabled person. The objective of this program is obviously to implement, to develop a volunteerism practice and morale in university students, and also to develop a sincere morale in the youngster, because at the end of the program or throughout the program, participant will not receive any reward except for foods such as breakfast or lunch. So the benefit from this program that participant will get is the satisfaction in helping the disabled people, and also this kind of volunteer program, it will increase their self-confidence in next time they will feel lighthearted to helping, to be the first one to reach out hand in helping other people. That's all the explanation of my proposal in this individual assignment in topic of volunteerism. Thank you.